Hello friends, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can use Google Sheet as an online database for our Android application. It can be used instead of web server for online-based Android application. Since the video is going too lengthy, I am planning to explain about it in two parts. In this, I am going to explain about to create an app script in Google Sheet to store name and age of people in a Google Sheet. For that, open Google Sheet website using your web browser and log in with your Gmail account. Then, click on the blank button to create a new spreadsheet. After that, rename the spreadsheet. Then type date, name and age in the first row. Here I want to create a sample application to store name and age of people. You can change it according to your need. Click on the share button to make the sheet shared. Then change the general access to anyone with link from restricted. Then copy the link. Then click on the extensions menu and select app script submenu. Here, we are going to create a new app script to access our Excel sheet. We will write post and get method functions for this purpose. After completing this app script, we can use this in websites or mobile applications to access and modify data in Google Sheet. In order to access it easily, change the name of the Google Sheet. Here, I am changing the name to Data. Then open the app script window and declare a variable to access the sheet by giving the URL of our Google Sheet. When we start to type, the suggestions are also shown by the app script. Then declare a variable by mentioning the name of the sheet, that is data. Now, I am going to write do post function to add items, and do get function to get all items in our Google Sheet. Here I am not explain about the functions, because it may lead the video to become lengthy. The complete app script file can be downloaded from the description below. In the post method function, I am checking for add item action. If the action is add item, then I take current date and time using date function, and the name and age parameters from the post request. Then add a new row in Google Sheet with these values. In the get method function, I am checking for get items action. If the action is get items, then I take all items in the Google Sheet except the first row. Then convert the data into JSON format and delivered back to get request. By parsing the JSON data, we will get all the data in receiver end. After the completion of script, we must deploy the script for execution. To deploy our script, click on the Deploy button and select New Deployment. Here, select Type as Web App. Type the description for our app. Then, select Web App executed as user accessing the web script. Then select Who has access as anyone with Google account. You can change these settings as your requirement. Finally, click on Deploy button. Then copy the web app URL. We will use this URL link in our Android app or website to access the Google Sheet. In the next video I will demonstrate how we can use this app script URL in a sample Android application for storing data in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel to support my efforts.